Another day in the gym. Gotta have that stamina to walk the Great Wall of China with my cousin Anthony. He's working out over there. I'm over here on the treadmill. Another day in the gym. These dogs can run. Especially this one. Remy, the black dog. She is quick like a deer. Remy! 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 Frenchies. Another form of exercise, getting some steps in. Got a private lot pretty much to ourselves. So we could walk the dogs and let them burn energy. Anthony, this is a pretty cool place, bro.
I like it because it's secluded.
Exactly, I was just mentioning that on camera. Pretty much got this place to ourselves. Dogs could roam free. Building in the back, there for no reason. Freeway behind us. $18-wheelers doing their thing here in the States, transporting goods. Tearing the tree up right here. On our walk, it never ceases to be exciting, huh? You're taking the whole branch, put it in, come back, snap another piece. I'm gonna record this for a sec. It's pretty cool. Compacting it down, crushing it a little bit, swing back around and grab some more. Let's see that. Pretty cool way to get rid of dead trees, and instead of having somebody come and cut it up and chop it up, there's a little riverbed right along there. I just love the sound of the cracking of the bushes. One more snap, all right? And that thing's long enough to just go right along the other edge and grab this piece that's broken down there. Showing his skill level.
That's what I was thinking. Somebody playing the piano.
Push it down, swing it around. Let's see what he does with this piece here. Pretty cool when you go on a dog walk and run into something exciting, especially the cracking and demolition of old rotten trees along this little riverbank that's back here. But yeah, had a great time. Do about a mile's worth of walking around here for exercise, so yep, works out great. Burn some calories. There is no more tree there. If you look, one lap around and the tree is gone. And Anthony's got this going. Today I rode over to my cousin's house. She's got 2 bikes herself. And I'm doing the oil changes for them, as you can see. I got the bike propped up and ready to pull that, put a filter in this one, and then I'll do the same with this one, jack it up, because we can't find the motorcycle jacks, so I gotta rig it my own way. I'm using a car jack and propping the tow bar onto the brake pedal, or the pedal kickstand, but it'll get it up straight. So that's what I'm doing today. About 21 miles, got my first ride in on my bike. I'm happy about that. Yeah, got that in. I'm gonna work on both of these bikes and see if I could get them up and going for the summer so we could all ride together. I love riding out here in the canyons and by the lakes here in Utah, so something I'm looking forward to. Yep, I got my little setup right here, the oils and everything and tools, but yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Thanks for watching. All right, tune-up oil change. I'll do a tune-up on that another time. Got that up and running, this one up and running, and the bike that's inside the garage, the orange one. But I am ready to. It's been an all-day situation. I'm gonna jump on my bike and go shower, and at least I did a good deed for today. Got my cousin's bike up and running, and we'll be good to go. Another day in the gym. Trying to get my walk on, my stamina. On that treadmill again for another 30-something minutes. Gotta get my stamina in for Tonga, for sure. You know, always enjoying myself here at the gym. Working on myself. Is Anthony rushing you?
Yes, always.
Just did our workout. Get it, getting our money in. Health is wealth, right?
Oh, yeah.
Health
That's
is
what I
wealth.
say we're over here getting our money.
While we're paying $100 an annual fee. There we go. Beautiful American flag just waving. Every time we come to work out, that flag is waving bright. See if I could get the sun off of it. Would be right behind it. There we go. Block out the sun. Enjoying my day U.S. Get my workout in. Life is good. So, the other Miss Wallace of the house had made a tostada concoction with all the trimmings, so you could choose whatever salsa you want. We got the queso fresca, the crumbling cheese, some avocado here. Oh man, put it on the tostada. Now what's in this is, it's been in a crock pot chicken breast, I believe, seasoned, then crumbled, added with corn, bell peppers, and seasonings, and just a whole bunch. It's like a ceviche, but not seafood. Chicken based. And black beans as well. Corn. Oh man, it's going to be delicious. I'm going to create one and then I'll show you it. Alright, I chose the tapatio. And this is how they came out looking. Can't wait to sink my teeth into them. Especially after having a workout at the EOS with Cousin Anthony. So, worked up a good appetite. And now we get to enjoy. It's gonna be good eating right there. Look at that. Really good mixture right here. Right there. All right. I came outside to check on the turtles because the dogs will, well, at least that dog there, Remy, the black one, she'll jump over and mess with them. But when I came out, this guy's working hard at trying to reprocreate. I never knew turtles make noises when they are trying to do that. Came out and was wondering, what's this sound? And when I walked over, that's what it was. It was that guy right there. Marine's chicken salad was so good I made it for lunch as well. That's how good it was from last night. Delicious. I'm gonna have lunch in bed. Gotta get a flight later. I'll be flying out to Arizona for some activities back over there with my kids and grandchildren, so I'm looking forward to that. And it's gonna be a great day. I'm back, go visit everybody and continue on with my plans. I'll be there for a few weeks with them, so I'm looking forward to that. Well, I'll keep you posted.